home is a place that you have to feel comfortable and you have to enjoy that place. So as an interior designer, I can make that a space comfortable and enjoyable for my clients. My name is Azar. I'm a graduate of Yorkville University from BID program. When you're doing a new design in the house or even in your bathroom or even your bedroom, you're changing the color. That's the moment that you're being happy. I started this business while I was still studying in the university and I was doing my thesis. It helped me to understand more details of the real project and put that experience inside my thesis, and also getting a help from my teachers. So because they understand that I have a business, I could use those experience, the experience that they had in their jobs. It helped me to grow my business even faster and makes it easier for me. I had the privilege to work with Property Brothers when they were in Toronto. So we worked with them for 6 episodes. It was 2 seasons. I'm so grateful that I had this opportunity to work with them, to do the process for design from the beginning to designing the kitchen, have a chance to sit with them and choose the cabinetry, choose the colors, and then after that the process of the renovation and installing the cabinetry, choosing the countertop after that, and then when they see the result, so they were so happy. That was a biggest step for me. It was one of the most beautiful experience that I could have in my life.